Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
WhatsApp Business Platform for Developers, Lecture 9. In this lecture, we will learn about testing and debugging, introduction, testing WhatsApp integration, debugging and troubleshooting, monitoring API usage and performance, using analytics and reporting, conclusion. Introduction. Welcome everyone to our presentation on testing and debugging WhatsApp integration in a development environment. Today, we'll be exploring the importance of thorough testing, effective debugging, and proper monitoring during the integration process. As developers, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of building new features and integrating new tools. However, without proper testing and debugging, these integrations can quickly become a source of frustration and lost productivity. That's why it's so important to approach WhatsApp integration with a mindset of diligence and attention to detail. Testing WhatsApp integration. Testing is a critical component of any development process, especially when it comes to integrating with third-party platforms like WhatsApp. By thoroughly testing your integration, you can ensure that it works as expected and avoid any unexpected issues down the line. There are several testing methods available for WhatsApp integration, including unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end testing. Each method has its own benefits and drawbacks, but by using a combination of these methods, you can achieve comprehensive test coverage. Unit testing involves testing individual components of the integration in isolation, while integration testing focuses on testing how the different components work together. End-to-end testing, on the other hand, tests the entire integration from start to finish, simulating real-world scenarios. Successful integration. Testing involves not only testing for expected behavior but also testing for edge cases and unexpected scenarios. By doing so, you can identify and address potential issues before they become major problems. Debugging and troubleshooting. Chatbots and virtual assistants are revolutionizing customer support by providing quick and efficient solutions to common problems. They can handle a wide range of tasks, from answering frequently asked questions to processing orders and resolving complaints. One reason for their increasing popularity is that they are available 24/7, which means customers can get the help they need at any time of the day or night. Additionally, chatbots and virtual assistants can handle multiple conversations simultaneously, which reduces wait times and improves overall customer satisfaction. Monitoring API usage and performance. Monitoring API usage and performance is crucial to ensure a smooth integration with WhatsApp. By keeping track of how the API is being used, developers can identify potential issues and optimize their code for better performance. There are various monitoring tools available such as New Relic, AppDynamics, and Datadog that provide real-time insights into API usage and performance. These tools help developers quickly identify any bottlenecks or errors in their code and make necessary changes to improve performance. Successful monitoring practices involve setting up alerts for critical metrics, analyzing trends over time, and using data to optimize performance. For example, if the monitoring tool shows that a certain API endpoint is frequently hitting its rate limit, developers can adjust their code to reduce the number of requests being made to that endpoint. Overall, monitoring API usage and performance is an essential part of ensuring a successful WhatsApp integration. By using the right tools and following best practices, developers can proactively identify and resolve issues, leading to a better user experience. Using analytics and reporting. Analytics and reporting are essential components of any successful WhatsApp integration. By analyzing data from user interactions, businesses can gain valuable insights into how their customers are using the platform, which features are most popular, and where improvements can be made. There are a variety of analytics tools available, each with its own unique benefits. Some popular options include Google Analytics, Mixpanel, and Amplitude. These tools allow businesses to track metrics such as user engagement, retention rates, and conversion rates, providing valuable information that can be used to optimize the integration process. In addition to tracking metrics, it's important to use reporting tools to visualize and communicate data effectively. Dashboards and reports can help businesses quickly identify trends and areas for improvement, making it easier to take action and improve the overall integration experience for users. Overall, analytics and reporting are critical components of any successful WhatsApp integration. By leveraging these tools effectively, businesses can gain valuable insights, optimize the integration process, and deliver a seamless user experience. Conclusion: testing and debugging are critical processes in software development that ensure the reliability, functionality, and quality of a software application. Throughout the development lifecycle, developers perform various tests to identify and fix defects, errors, and issues in the code. This helps in producing a stable and robust software product that meets the desired requirements and user expectations. In conclusion, testing and debugging are ongoing activities that should be integrated into the software development process from the beginning. A comprehensive testing strategy includes unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing, among others. Each of these testing phases has its purpose and helps uncover different types of defects at various levels of the software stack. Additionally, debugging plays a crucial role in identifying and resolving issues within the codebase. Developers utilize debugging tools and techniques to trace the execution flow, inspect variables and data structures, and understand the root causes of problems. Effective debugging reduces development time, improves code quality, and enhances the overall user experience. It's important to note that testing and debugging are not standalone activities but should be complemented by other development practices such as code reviews, continuous integration, and automated testing. These practices help maintain code quality, prevent regressions, and facilitate collaboration among developers. Furthermore, as software systems become more complex and dynamic, developers should embrace agile testing methodologies such as test-driven development (TDD) and behavior-driven development (BD) to ensure effective testing and quicker feedback cycles. In conclusion, testing and debugging are integral parts of the software development process. By investing time and effort into thorough testing and efficient debugging, developers can produce high-quality software that is reliable, robust, and meets user expectations.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.